Good morning with Coffee with Electricians, Iced Coffee Edition. Today, let's talk about extra work order paperwork. Hey, good morning, 360 Electricians. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for being here. Today, I want to talk about paperwork when you have extra work orders. One of the biggest problems I find in my company is that when we are on a job, especially a long job, big remodel, or anything where a customer comes back and says, hey, Jeff, I want to add this or I want to do this. A lot of times as electricians, you know and I know, we just say, yep, no problem, we'll take care of it. And you remind them to bill them later. Then sometimes you give them the bill and then they look at it and go, man, this is a lot of money. I didn't agree to that. What you want to do is get extra work order paperwork like this. How are you going to do that? You're going to go to my website, www.the360electrician.com, and fill out the join mailing list. Why? We're giving away free paperwork in your inbox once a month for the next 3 months. You got to go and you got to sign up. What are you going to do with an extra work order? Well, you got to make sure that it has their name, the address, and the actual job description. Remodel of new kitchen. And then what you want to do is original contract, and you want to write an amount. You're going to say original contract, $3,980. See proposal attached, or see copy, or signed on 1/3/2022. Then what you want to do is put a description of the new items and what it is they want. Customer asked for new outlet in Island, or a second outlet in Island. You want to go there and you want to mark $199, $299, $399, whatever it is, and you want them to sign the bottom. Then you're going to give them a copy if you want. You're going to keep a copy. When it comes time for billing, guess what? You're going to give them the original bill or your progress payments. Then you're going to add this onto your paperwork. That is going to help you level up and make sure you get paid for everything you do on a job. And by the way, don't do anything for free. Don't do anything for free. Once you're in the door, it's okay. The customer loves you. You're there. You're not going to lose them. Don't just say, yeah, no problem, I'll take care of it. That's money out of your pocket. That's money going forward that's going to be a net loss to you instead of a net gain. You're on the job. The whole point is to get extras if extras are there. Hope you loved it. Smash that like. We'll see you on the next one.